Conditioned Pacers are lined up for tonight's 12th and final here on the Saturday night card. Field of 8 on the gate. The gate is rolling. And the off. Here I am. Coolwater sprints out from the center of the track. Do it best. Gets a few whip taps early there. Powerful odds from along the inside into the opening turn. And it's Do It Best. And Mike LaChance looking for the early lead. But here I am. Coolwater, the mare, ranges up on the outside to take over. Powerful odds came away racing in third. Hillcrest Bingo is back in fourth in front of Blissful Night, who came away in fifth. It's a length and a half. Back to Papa Knows Best, who came away sixth. Abs Beach Boy seventh in front of Jen Finn, who is the trailer through an opening quarter, 28 seconds even. And here I am, Coolwater on top here at odds of 7-1. Do It Best remains back in second. Hillcrest Mingo now launches an attack on the outside for Loney. Powerful odds vacates the cones from fourth. Blissful Night continues to save ground fifth. Papa Knows Best remains in sixth, two in front of Abs Beach Boy. And Jen Finn is struggling at the back of the pack, but it was Hillcrest Mingo up to take over here at odds of 12-1. Past the half, 56-3. 28-3 for that second quarter. And powerful odds, and Paul Hamas now up to apply pressure to Hillcrest Mingo, and Powerful Odds is the new leader. So we've had plenty of action here, and Powerful Odds has taken over with 3/8 of a mile to go. Hillcrest Mingo now back in second. Here I am, Coolwater along the inside third. Blissful Night has stalled first over fourth, and that sends Papa Knows Best 3 wide early from fifth. Do It Best continues to save ground from sixth. Abs Beach Boy begins to unwind on the outside seventh. They're through three quarters, 124-3. Powerful Odds has the lead at the top of the lane. Hillcrest Mingo was under a drive in second. Stiltner goes to work on Blissful Night out in the center. Abs Beach Boy tries to thread horses late, and Papa Knows Best is up on the far outside, but they've all got plenty of work to do to catch Powerful Odds, who is almost there. Hillcrest Mingo up the inside. Abs Beach Boy flying late, but it's Powerful Odds. Powerful Odds takes the finale. Abs Beach Boy was second. It's tight on the line for third. Either Hillcrest Mingo Odds